Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the RX print size in the iFax settings on the CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, go over to the menu. Now in the menu, we want to go over to function settings and then receive and forward. Now go to iFax settings, and right here we will change the RX print size. So as you guys can see, we can use the A4 letter, we can use, let's say, the letter for government, India, even foolscap, Australia, and here we also have the Brazil and the Mexico. So here, as you guys can see, we can change it just like that. So for example, I'll change it to letter, and now as you guys can see, this setting is automatically saved. So that's basically how you guys can change it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.